Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and in today's video, we will be building a motorcycle. Check it out. There's a link to step-by-step visual instructions in the description. Before we get into our build, we'll see how the block code makes the motorcycle function, and how each major part of the motorcycle works. Alright, so before we get into the build and the demonstration, let's talk about the parts of the motorcycle that give it functionality. So the first part we have here is the object sensor. What this does, what we're going to program it to do, is to stop the motorcycle once it detects something in front of it. Also have here the smart hub. This is where the battery sits and the Bluetooth sits that allows the iPad to send our block code to the motorcycle to give it functionality. Also have here are the gears connected to the wheel, which is connected to an axle that connect this wheel together. This is the axle right here. This runs all the way through and is connected to the gears, which is connected to this motor right here. This motor and the motion sensor, or the object sensor, are both connected to the smart hub. In the next video, I'll describe how the code works to make this thing move and or give our motorcycle functionality. Alright, so here's my block code. I'm going to run it for you real quick. And we're just going to observe what happens. Alright. Alright, so what did that code mean? Essentially, it means that as the robot starts to move forward, the motor will turn on at an input of 8. Then we get into the repeat loop. It's going to keep turning the motor until the motor's going to stop once the sensor determines that something's in front of it. When that happens, it's going to cause the motor to reverse, or cause the motorcycle to reverse for 1 second, and then it'll start over again.